favorite rugby team. Sports is the Springboks. Then Nike. That is, I don't know who the Springbok man is player, but that's a very powerful sweeter. Strong, he can play on the cross. Yeah, yeah, it's something like radio, like old old times, listen on the radio, the sports, and imagine it in your head. There's somebody there wearing high heels, they where I drop. That high heels mean if you should walk and break your ankles is your own fault. Because you punished. If you run over the street with the high heels in the car, knock you dead. It's your own fault. You've been punished. If people fight and kick you, with the high heels on your car, kick and fight back, it's your own fault. You've been punished. And people don't wear that shoes. People getting what they want about high heels. That's your own fault.